What's up? What's up? 95 Avalon, man. You like it? I like it. It's pretty clean.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Motor mount.
I like the paint.
But we already got a jump start. I started on the bottom. You know, there's a motor mount. So you guys need to learn how to do motor mount.
I need to learn how to do motor mounts.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Quick maths.
8 bolts. These are for the fans, the electric fans. It'll be easier to get these 4 from the bottom out. The motor mounts right here. You see here, this is the front. It's already, it's done, it's broken. He has a problem with that one and the rear, but that's another story. So we're replacing the front. Yeah, another happy day out authentic. So we're up top. You notice here, these are 2 electric fans here in the front. You have to remove because like come here, you can see down there. This is your mount, right in here. This is your mount right here. This guy right there. You want to zoom in right there. So I already started. I took the top one out. It's a 17, and it has 2 side ones, side by side. So there's a 14 over there. Look over there.
Oh, down.
Yeah. But you're gonna see it clearly when I pull the fans out.
Really,
So that's why I said you need to pull the fans so you can see in there. It's a 3.0. Powerful car, but it's still it's had its time. It just needs a little work now. I'm checking the coolant level because I'm just thinking this. If I could just remove this hose here, I could slide just 1 fan out instead of 2. So take off the line here. Easy. It's gonna go this way. It's gonna seem faster. This is you gotta work fast here. To leak the least amount, I don't know, me personally, I like to keep the cap on because it holds pressure in if there is any. I already released it, but so it's a pull in, pull out. You see, because I can't sneak it here. I don't want to damage nothing, you know, I don't want to force it.
Okay, so you're taking the top radiator from the top, sneak this fan out?
Because, you know, if you get these, see, you just can't. You're gonna end up denting the radiator, you know. So I do it the safe way. I'd rather do it this way. I have no problems later. So this is how fast it has to happen. Watch how fast this happens. So okay, I got to that point. Oh, no coolant. How about that? So I missed it because he was over there talking about the Subaru. So all I did was put the little block underneath. You don't want to raise it too much because you don't want to put pressure on the other mounts. So now you look in here, it's wide open. Like we took the fan out, pick it open. So now you take the new one, slide it in. This one. So you gotta put this in there. Now, I guide it a little bit more. Now I just need to get this bolt in over here, the back side. Okay, but way in there.
Way back.
Back into time. So we're past all this now. So let's put everything back. Now watch this. There you go, that's in, that's in. Now, so this is a smaller one. Use this guy. I don't want to put too much torque in there because you know, it'll be alright. This one. This little one got just, I think, almost as much as torque as the big boy.
Really?
Yeah. I'm looking into that last one all the way down there. Now get yourself meat inside of here. This guy only had one. Reverse process. I'll hit that bottom bolt when I get to it. No damaging, just sliding everything in. Secure the top. It's 10 here. Secure that. Secured. Now while I'm up here, I might as well just plug everything up. While I'm here, because now after this step, you're done. You plug everything back in. It's there. Those loose. Plug that's plugged in. Now we lift. Put the last bolt and we're done. That's how you do a motor mount. One more of these guys. And then one. Everything apart. When I put this last bolt, I gotta shift backwards. Tiny here. Buddy! So now it's 1 in the afternoon and I'm sitting here. That's when I'm done. I'm tired. So, I'm not gonna go through the trouble of taking everything apart. Come on, I know you're going to feel it. Beautiful. Look at that thing. Bueno. Está bueno.